Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In last videos, we have learned how we can use React navigation library for creating such kind of application that is displayed in this emulator, that if I click on register, then I am able to register some user here. Like I give here the name of the user, I say Sachin, and here I say Kumar is the password. I say register, so user is registered here. Now same user I can log in. So you see, with the help of this navigation, React navigation library, we can go from one screen to another screen. We can pass data from one activity to another activity. We can use navigation concept in mobile applications using React Native CLI. So here we are using only the React Native stack. One more thing we have, that is called tab navigation in React navigation. So in this video we are going to learn how we can use tab navigation in React Native CLI. For that we go to the website, I say React navigation, that is the website. Then go here and here go to the documentation. Under this we have a guide. Here we have a tab navigation, and remember that we have to install this like we installed the stack. So we have to install this. For installing this, I go here and I just close this application because I have to install. Then I copy and start installation. So this command will install this tab navigation in this application. Now what I do, I just create one component that will become the home component or the center point of tab screen. For that, in this component I create one more folder. I say tab navigation, tab nav. Tab nav is the name of the folder. Under this folder I create my home screen. So I say tab screens.jsx. This would be the center point of this application. So I remove this, I just open this. Here I say RNFES and we have the snippets for this. We created this. Now I just delete this line like that way. I delete this one also, no need of this. Now I need some library. So I go to this website and I have to copy these two libraries here, that is navigation container and create bottom tab navigation. These two library I need, and I need to create object of this. So I create the object, give it the name here tab, and I say create bottom tab navigator like this. This we have bottom, not a button, bottom tab navigation. Just I copy this and I paste here. Save this. Then tab is here. In place of view, I need to use navigation container. Here also I need navigation container. I need to remove this. In place of this, I need tab.navigator, and under this I need tab.screen. Here I say name of the screen which I want to use. So here I can use login screen of the previous application, and I say component like this, and I should give here login. So I need screen first of all. So for screen I should create those screen and import the screen. So first of all I import the login. So that login under the screen I need, and I need to pass here the login. The first one is complete. Save this. Now under the tab I create more screen. So I say welcome screen, welcome.jsx. So here one is there. Then I need one more. I say register.jsx. I create one more. I say profile.jsx. So we have three screens here. Now I go to welcome. Under this I say RNFES. I create the snippets. Under this I design this. So here I say container. Under this container I say flex equal to 1. I say justify content equal to center. I say alignment to the item equal to center. Then I need one more. I say heading. here in heading I say font size equal to 30. So that I want to design here, and I give here style. So style equal to styles dot container. Same I need here in text field. So I say here in place of container I say heading, and I say welcome to tab navigation. Welcome to tab navigation in React Native CLI. That I need. Save this. Similarly, I just copy and I paste this in register also. Here I do some modification. In place of welcome, change the register name. Here also I change register. Then here I say welcome, I say register in tab navigation, just for example purpose. Same, I open this and paste here. Here also I change it from profile, welcome to profile, like this, and I say profiles in tab navigation. Save this. So these three activities I have here. So now I open this tab screen, and under this tab screen I import these. So I say import and I say welcome, and that welcome I need inside this. So I say welcome here. Then I say import register. Then I say import profile, like this. Now I just copy this 3 times more and I can change it to welcome. Here also I say welcome. Then I say here register. Then here I say register. Then I say here profile. Then here I say profile, like this way. And because by default first activity or screen will display, but we can transfer to other also. I will see this also, but first of all you see that we have this application, we have a header here, but we do not have a tab. So I need to replace this screen to tab. So I say here tab screen under the component to tab, like this, and I remove this. Save this. Now I need to compile this once again. So for that I say CLS, and here I run once again this application. Now you see that application is starting. Now you see this application is running with 4 tab here. Login is a by default because it's a top of this. Then I click on welcome, so it changed to welcome. You see welcome to tab navigation. Then I click here, it's register, welcome to register. Then click here, it's a welcome to profile. So you see 4 we have here, and here we have to set the active also, because all you see all are by default color is blue and otherwise gray. So we can set this color also, and we can set the active because login is now active one, but we can set register also as active one. So here we can say initial root's name, and I say login is the first one, like this way. Now we can also give the option, we can change the color of this also, or we can also hide this header. You see this header is coming again and again, welcome, login. So we can disable this header also. For disabling a header we have a 2 thing. So individual we can disable, like suppose you want to disable to welcome, or you want to disable to login, otherwise you want to on for all. So suppose I want to disable for login. For that I say here option. Under the option I say here that header shown equal to false. So this way I say save, and you will see that it will refresh and login header is gone, but we have a welcome, register and profile header we have, but we gone from this. Login header we do not have because we have disabled this. But we can disable to all also. If you want to disable for all, you can disable from here. You say screen options here, and under this screen option I say header shown to false. So I save this, and you will see that all the headers will gone. You see welcome is also gone, register is also gone, profile is also gone. So from here we can disable all. So if we centralize disable, then we do not need this property option, so we can ignore this and we can delete it. Now In this screen option we have more properties also, like what is the color of active. By default is blue, but we can change to some other color also. So here I say tab bar active tint color, so that color I say it should be red. Then I say tab bar inactive tint color, means the if we are not selecting a tab, so I say that is green color, and I save this. You will see that rest of all are green, but when I click on welcome become active, so its color is red, then register color is red, then profile color is red. So you see that I'm able to transfer from one tab to another tab, yeah, like this, you see. But one thing we have here, if you see, one problem we have, we do not have the icon here on the top of the login. You see we have a cross angle type of save, so that means we are not having a icon. So in this video we learn how to install tab navigation and how just centralizedly connect all the activity within this centralized component tab screen, and how we can pass this to the app component also. And in this tab screen component, all these activity we have combined, means 4 activity we are using here, 4 screen. So 4 tab we have, and individually we have connected all here. If you want tab navigation in your application, so you can do like this. And remember that we are not using here icon. So in this video we learn how to install tab navigation, how to add screen activity in tab navigation. Here I added 4, but you may have 2, 3, 4 also, whatever you want. And in next video we will see how we can use icon library, 2 type of library. I will explain you how you can change these icon also, and how you can change the color of these icon. That we will see in the next video. So I think you learn in this video how to use tab navigation. If you really learn something from this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.